fucking Jonas. वो बहुत funny था. ठीक है.
लिडिया ये चश्मे पहने मेरे. पावर है उसमें पहले.
Fuck. कितना पावर है भाई?
कम है.
मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा. मेरे को clear दिख रहा है.
लिडिया अंधी नहीं है.
I can see it clearly. मेरा वाला कवर.
बाल खोल ले बढ़िया.
उसमें भी काफी नंबर है.
हो तो फिर तू अंधी है मेरी तरह. Oh, we're just two bunch of
मैं
people
मियाँ खलीफा लगी.
falling in love and getting blind.
ठीक है, अब ठीक है ना?
Oof.
This is
Oof,
fine.
oof, oof.
This is fine. अब ठीक है. Control H.
स्कूल में तो यही काम करती थी.
क्या हर चीज़.
तुम्हें चश्मे ऐसी के.
हाँ मैं सिर्फ इस वजह से लेती थी देखो
और मैं लिटरली अंधी हूँ, मुझे दिखता नहीं था. ये मैडम आपने शो पीस के लिए.
अरे भाई मेरे को पता है कि जब बाल मुंह पे आते हैं मेरे को इरिटेशन होती है जिसकी वजह से मैं चश्मा पहनती हूँ.
भाई तो चुप रह.
मैं चश्मा कभी पहनती
चुप रह.
वो चश्मा जो रखा हुआ है उसमें नंबर है लेकिन मैं नंबर के लिए नहीं पहनती. मैं उससे सिर्फ सर पे
अंधी है ना.
नहीं. So we will be playing. Okay.
We will be playing with hearts.
That was not supposed how it was supposed to be, but
Lydia plays with
so we
hearts.
will. I don't.
Living examples.
So basically the thing is this.
So the thing basically is that we'll be playing Never Have I Ever, and जिसने भी जो भी किया होगा, they just have to put their fingers down. We have 10 questions.
वहाँ पे आएगा हम लोग.
And I don't give a shit. The bitch.
Okay.
So basically, yeah. So that's that. Also, we'll ask. She's gonna ask the question.
I will be asking her some questions which she's going
But
to
at the same time, you also have to do the same thing. You have to
Okay.
put your finger down.
Okay, even I have to answer. Okay, fine. Okay, the game is like we'll.
I've already explained, but
Okay, she's explained it. Okay. I couldn't come up with original ideas, obviously, because it's like a lot of time wasting bazi or whatever. So we are googling stuff. She has googled stuff. She's googled stuff because I was not doing any work and she.
Also, मेरे exam चल रहे थे, बंदी मुझे message.
मेरे भी चल रहे थे इसलिए मैं नहीं कर रही थी.
Let's get to business.
So the first question is drum beat.
Airplane mode on.
Never have I. The question is not.
These are gonna be juicy. Ooh.
The question. We'll put the question over there. I'll put the questions over there while editing this thing.
Okay.
Because I'm laughing a lot because she's making me.
Also, please focus on her beautiful hats.
Yeah, she's on the beautiful hand.
Yeah, I'm also married.
She's. Sure.
Also, ये हमारी engagement वाली ring है.
What the fuck? कौन सी वाली थी? Oh, दिखा दे. She has.
नहीं.
अच्छा middle finger पे नहीं होता so. I like put it on my fucking finger. We cannot see it. Oh, they can see it. I think. Can you see? Can you see it? Why are you doing this? Okay, now let me do starting. Okay,
Yeah,
now
whatever.
starting. Okay. Never have I ever experimented to see my sexual orientation.
Lydia, put your finger down.
Okay.
You're not just experimented. You have lived reality. नीचे करना है.
Okay.
We don't need explanation.
We cannot.
Keep it PG-13.
What the fuck is PG? Postgraduate 13?
Parental guidance.
Okay. Okay. No.
Dumb Lydia.
Oh my god.
R का मतलब पता ही होगा.
No, I don't.
Restricted.
I'm not the kind of person who should be knowing stuff like this, so I don't know everything
So,
about why the fuck is this thing doing tung tung. Okay, so the next question is, never have I ever said I love you just to get laid.
भाई उसके लिए बंदा होना चाहिए और अपनी शक्ल भी होनी चाहिए और कुछ होना भी चाहिए.
शक्ल है दीपिका, ऐसे मत बोल. तू
मैं-
खुद किसी को follow नहीं
पता है
करती.
पूरा-
It is. Let me tell you what she doesn't let anybody follow her account as long as she doesn't know the person personally.
That's what sane people do.
I'm not insane, okay?
Obviously
No, I'm
you are.
not. No. The thing is this: she does this thing because she feels like they'll get attached to something.
No, excuse me. I mean, I don't want somebody to intrude on my privacy, dude.
Yeah, and after
So
that,
that is
and
what
after that, she cribs about not having a boyfriend. How the fuck is she going to get a boyfriend if she's not talking to fucking
guys,
people?
this is just exaggeration of
I'm not
basically what I'm
exaggerating. You're not exaggerating anything.
Excuse me, I don't need a man.
No.
Let's get that straight.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay.
So basically इस पूरे never have I ever में मेरी बेइज्जती होने वाली given कि मैंने कुछ नहीं ऐसे उठपटांग काम किए और इंडिया की उंगलियां नीचे जाएंगी और मेरी 10 की 10 ऊपर.
I'm not even using my hands at this point. I'm not even.
she
I'm
knows.
literally. I've said I love you, but I don't mean it. I usually don't mean my. I mean, like I mean it. No, see, if I'm telling you that I love you, then it's like pretty platonic. I don't actually like.
कि आजकल के I love you में मतलब नहीं होते.
Yeah, so I don't say it out of like love or something. It's just
basically it's just like very common concept कि भाई I love you. It's just like तुम चलते फिरते कि यार I love you.
Yeah, which is why I say that only when the person is like having a platonic relationship with me. And if the person is in a relationship with me, then I don't say it at all.
मैंने क्या भी just
I don't say it at all. No, I do say it. Never have I ever spied on my neighbor.
they have done the other way around.
I have spied on my neighbor.
भाई ये
Not spied, like I mean, like I keep listening to people talk. That's not spying. That's not
basically
no.
they are like बहुत
This
audible है तो उसमें spy की बात क्यों हुई?
That's not spying.
Next question.
No, never have I ever doubted my heterosexuality. सच्ची बताइए सच्ची झूठ बोल दीजिए का नहीं सब में करेगा नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता
I honestly have
you
never.
cannot no
What you cannot? Excuse me?
सच्ची में मजाक कर रही हो सबने करा यार
I don't think that.
haven't like
No,
ever like you sure that you're
never.
like a straight person
Yeah.
what the yeah I don't like you I don't
back my
like
ring.
I don't like what is happening over here I have what I'm not doubted I like
She
I
has
know
experimented.
I'm not that is not she was not an experiment
Also मेरी लाइफ में लड़कियां ही भरी हुई है तो मुझे कभी डाउट करने की जरूरत ही पड़ी बिकॉज गर्ल जो मेरी लाइफ में लड़कियां तो देख के आई प्रेफर टू बी स्ट्रेट
I am Lydia. okay.
Next my answer.
She's saying it now.
Yep. Have I ever made fun of somebody? Okay, let me just
Fucking
put
I have.
10 fingers down because I've done that a million times.
But not like to hurt them.
Yeah, with
Not to
just
hurt.
like sarcastic way.
अटक गया शायद अटक गया शायद नहीं अटक गया आजम ये निकल
तो देखो अभी निकालने की जरूरत
अरे बेटा मेरे खुजली हो रही है ना गुदगुदी हो रही है मेरे को किसी का होता है मेरे को दर्द हो रहा है यार दर्द नहीं हो रहा है लाइक आई डोंट वेयर रिंग्स बिकॉज़ सही अच्छा ठीक है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोल
Okay. Never have I ever watched Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
I haven't. I don't watch anything in general.
Nah.
Never have I.
I mean clips देखी होंगी YouTube पे कभी-कभी या Instagram पे कभी-कभी आती रहती है but not with the sole purpose of just watching them.
Yeah.
Okay, never have I stolen something with a higher value than $10. By the way, $10 rupees में कितना होता है?
500.
Oh, I have stolen man. Come on. अपने बचपन में चोरी करती थी. बचपन में चोरी करती थी. चोरी करती थी. सब करते हैं.
No, I'm not. Not that much money.
अगर
Okay,
तुम
fucking yeah,
calculation.
I have stolen that money.
Justin. Never have I ever really liked this song by Justin Bieber.
He makes nice music. I don't know what's the beef about it. I love him.
एक दो गाने हैं जो मुझे पसंद होंगे but
I like all his songs. Like
no, I don't like all his songs.
I
I don't like him as a person by the way.
now, they see, there was a point in his life where he was very.
Yeah, इसकी personal secretary बोल रही है भाई.
There was a point in his life where he was very childish. Abhi he's got matured.
Yeah, because he was a child back then.
Yeah, but now he's like a grown-up person and he's cool.
That's
I like
called
him.
maturity.
He's not. He's.
Have I ever bet on something?
Always, all the time.
I
every time.
can't recollect.
I usually with my parents
Oh.
actually.
I mean, I've bet on myself कि you know मतलब अपनी limits check करने के लिए कहाँ तक
motivate.
आके yeah
Yes,
कि you know I've never like bet मतलब पैसों और like gambling ही हो गया वैसे तो वो बकवास चीज़ है.
You haven't. I have.
पैसे होने चाहिए gambling के लिए.
Yeah.
Never have I ever stalked an ex-boyfriend's
Ex's- never have I ever-
boyfriend or girlfriend on social media.
An ex's boyfriend or girl. Okay. No.
उसके लिए होना भी चाहिए. Ooh, I like this question. Never have I ever lied to a friend to avoid a greater evil. I've never lied to a friend for that. I mean, what do you mean by avoid a greater evil?
अरे like as in मतलब अगर किसी
कुछ और बड़ा होने के लिए.
हाँ yeah. I have.
I'm a blunt person.
I have. Yeah, she's there.
Ooh.
She's so straight. She's fucking straightforward. She'll say it to your face. What if she's got something against you? She's not going to talk about it with any fucking person. She's going to come to you and she's like, I don't like you. She's
और
just
क्या
say
भाई?
it to your face.
ज़्यादा बन रही है.
I don't know, but these are the kind of people I like because like you say it to the face at least, not behind somebody's back. If you don't like someone,
नहीं,
just
अगर तुम्हें किसी से प्रॉब्लम है तुम मुंह पे बोलो rather than just
bitching about it.
Yeah, no, कि मतलब basically just crib about you know that person is not doing that for you. Just speak it out loud.
Yeah,
Say what you want.
yeah, I don't do that usually. Like sometimes I do. Sometimes.
मतलब आधे लोग इसीलिए ब्रेकअप में एंड करते हैं because
Are you trying to?
okay, next question is literally mine and Lydia's like life in a whole watermelon shell. Never have I ever escaped from class.
We were never in class. I was never in class. We used to go together, like we used to bunk class. We used to be in the library most of the time. Then
AC की हवा is just.
the library was only in AC was only in the library.
Also ऐसी बात नहीं, गलत कुछ मत समझना, हमने सिर्फ 11th में ऐसे काम किया
और 12th में.
वो भी एक सब्जेक्ट में.
वो 12th में मैंने बंक ही नहीं करा था भाई.
हाँ वही तो.
फॉक मैंने पढ़ाई करी थी यार 12th में. 12th में मैंने पढ़ाई करी थी, ठीक है सुन लो.
अभी टॉप कितना मार लिया? टॉप कितना मार लिया? Never have I ever had an open relationships.
I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, put your whole damn hand.
Five.
down.
I'm not. I don't even. I have,
Ooh,
but yeah.
Never have I ever cheated on a test. या मैं अपनी सबसे फनी लाइफ स्टोरी मेरी है कि मेरा रोल नंबर 2 होता था और साला मेरे सर के ऊपर ही टीचर बैठते थे. इट्स लाइक सो अनोइंग बिकॉज मुझे टेस्ट में बेसिकली कुछ नहीं आता था, जब भी नहीं आता था. मैं इधर उधर अगर देखती भी थी तो मेरे को बस यही डर लगता था कि मैन कहीं वो कोई देख ना ले. और
I haven't. I've made people cheat. Like I give my paper to the person to cheat.
also हमारे स्कूल की इतनी स्ट्रिक्ट वो चीज़ है कि आई डोंट थिंक इट वाज रियली पॉसिबल.
It was not. They,
Never have I ever grabbed the wrong person's hand.
like in what way? Should we make it sexual or what?
I told you in the beginning to keep it PG-13. But whatever. Right person का hand भी मेरी जिंदगी में अभी तक आया नहीं है तो.
I have like अबे यार चलते चलते like मम्मी का हाथ अगर छूट गया, किसी और आंटी का पकड़ लिया, वैसे हुआ है. I don't know why that happened. I was looking at the sandal and I held the hand and it was very
मेरी
awkward.
लाइफ काफी बढ़िया है.
It was very awkward. No, it is not. Never have I ever fallen in love with anyone through social network. Oh! Jessica, do you
I have never.
just talking about. Okay, wait, what?
क्या?
No, I cut it. I cut it.
क्या?
अभी क्या बात है?
I have not fallen in love
You're not
with them.
Okay, but you would like the idea
No.
of falling in love.
No. अगर ये वीडियो में आया, like I have fallen in love with the celebrity for that. मतलब social network. I mean.
Social. अरे as in like if you've spoken to somebody and if then.
Also लिडिया की जो पहली previous story थी हम उसी को follow करते हैं और मैं किसी को like ऐसे नहीं अपने अकाउंट में डालती तो सोशल नेटवर्क पे नेटवर्क होना ही नहीं है मेरा.
Yeah, she doesn't socialize at all.
चल.
Never have I ever lied in this game. No, अभी तक तो मैंने नहीं.
I haven't.
I'm not.
I promise
Good.
I haven't.
Yeah, I haven't either.
Ooh.
Except about the heterosexuality part. I don't know about you. I don't.
अगर लिडिया होती तो फिर अगर मैं स्ट्रेट भी होती तो भी मैं इससे like शादी करती.
She's given me the ring.
I like to believe that we have soulmates. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि I start doubting my.
No, okay.
ठीक है ना.
Yeah.
Never have I ever said an I love you without feeling it.
Mostly, always, all the time, every day, every
फिर
minute.
उसमें डिग्रीज होती है मतलब जरूरी नहीं कि
Yeah.
ना मैग्नानिमस टाइप की आई लव यू मतलब बहुत.
It doesn't have to be only for your lover.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also I rarely say it. मतलब basically ऐसा है कि I don't believe in the concept of I love you. It's like if a person loves you, they're gonna show it to you without saying I love you.
I don't know why do I feel like she's she's trying to tell you.
I will not say I love you to your face, but I would rather do things for you that show how much I. Okay.
I don't like this. Social media बोलते हैं ना इसको फिर.
नहीं, Facebook पे बात.
Facebook nobody uses nowadays.
एक टाइम था जब वीडियो करती थी.
That was only for okay. Never have I ever logged into any social media site while drunk.
लिडिया ने तो लाइव पे भी काफी तमाशे बना चुकी है.
No,
It's like क्वेश्चन लिडिया के लिए है ही नहीं.
I have actually.
I haven't.
I have.
पीना तो छोड़ो कुछ होता है.
Never
have I ever stuck gum under a desk.
I don't chew gum. Oh, I do. Oh, I do. If you grade the school में कौन लेके आता था?
तू एक
शिवांशी का लेके आती.
I really don't
I don't remember. I'm not stuck it under a desk though. Who does that?
Oh, Lydia, there's my lips सब कुछ.
Never have I ever bit my tongue.
नहीं था.
गलती से तो बहुत बार बहुत irritation होती है.
जान
That is lips. Tongue is very different from lips.
हमें
Okay. And never have I ever done pictures in underwear. Have you? Have I ever done pictures in underwear? Wait, never have I ever clicked pictures in underwear.
never done.
Why the question is wrong? Never have I ever clicked pictures in an underwear. I have.
We don't want to know.
I have, but I'm not telling to anybody. I've just had. Like, why have I? I should not. Never have I ever refused a kiss. There should be a person to give me a kiss first. Okay, no! I should not have said that. Okay, yeah. No, I haven't. I'm like... I'm sold away or something. Have you?
मुझे इतना फाइन लगा है क्योंकि मैं बैठ के लिडिया से बकवास भौंक रही है और मैंने कितनी चीज़ें विटनेस की हुई है इन सब में से.
Okay, I have kind of not refused.
ये बस नहीं तो सोशल्स के टाइम पे सोशलाइजिंग.
Shut up! Shut up! Okay, भाई. नहीं.
Okay, next question.
Next. What is it?
Never have I ever been unfaithful.
Unfaithful in what manner?
किसी भी वे में.
I have.
For friendships या.
Unfaithful? No,
relationships.
never. And I hate that I haven't been because I should have been. I feel like.
Say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into.
Never have I ever lied to my parents about being hungover.
Excuse me.
About being hungover?
Go to the previous question.
I'm not going to the previous question. No, nobody said that you can explain it. It is just
Recap. You have to explain the thing.
No, we don't. It is not necessary.
हाँ जब खुद के बारे में necessary नहीं है ना.
No, you cannot. It is not a very good
Never
story.
have I ever lied to my parents about being hungover. मैं kidding नहीं पीते भाई हम. मैं तो नहीं.
मैं
Lies. कैमरा को फेस करके बोलिए सेम चीज.
Never have I ever.
Lies.
Okay, fine. No, I'm not like pretended to be hungover. Why would I pretend?
Google, come on, girl, you can do better.
Okay.
Never have I ever gone to the bathroom and then not washed my hands. I have.
I haven't.
कभी हो जाता है.
No, I wash my hands because I feel like I'm
deliberately नहीं मतलब.
When I'm flushing, then I feel like.
मतलब never have I ever kissed someone of the same sex.
We can move on.
यार ये नहीं होता चल बकवास मत कर. बोल no I have.
What was the question? Never have I ever kissed someone of the same sex. I have, yeah, fucking.
Yeah.
Okay.
यार लिडिया की लाइफ इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग है यार. How are we even friends?
I don't know if I'm. I don't know my sexuality yet.
Friends.
It's just okay.
Ooh.
Never have I ever woken up drunk the next day. This happens every month or every 2 months. It happens. It used to happen a lot. It doesn't now. Have you? She's not drunk. She doesn't drink. Yeah, she's too sober. This is not good.
I like to love my life the way it is without
You really
adding
like
substances.
You like it, huh? Like that?
Yeah, I love my life.
I don't. Mine. I don't like
I mean, certain parts I do not, but
So you like swing with it still. Okay. Never have I ever got drunk.
I have never.
Okay, इसका message आ रहा है. Okay, that's okay. Never have I ever got drunk. All the time. Never have I ever kissed my best friend.
Same चीज की थी but किस में नहीं होता यार. Lydia मेरे very.
I can't kiss my best friend. I don't date best friends. I don't date friends in general.
Best
But
friend.
Huh? Shut the fuck up. That was the only problem that happened now.
No, you can't lie.
Okay, fine. I have kissed my best friend. It's not. Yeah, I have. Never have I ever eaten food that fell on the floor.
I have. इनमें chocolate या कुछ हो but 5-second rules.
Even if it's 10 seconds, I'll eat it.
कभी बचपन में किया होगा मतलब वैसे नहीं ये gross है but.
Like when I got to know that I should not pick it up, then I was like, okay, fine, we don't have to pick it, but I still pick it up and eat it.
Never have I ever screwed up at school.
I screwed up my whole entire life, school life. It was not.
I haven't. Also, I might have. I
Swings both ways.
I don't really know. मतलब क्या डिग्री पे स्क्रू अप किया मतलब एज सच में कभी एक्सपेल नहीं हुई या कुछ इस तरह का चीज. स्क्रू अप मतलब वही होता है हैव यू बीन एक्सपेल्ड या कुछ तो नो यू
I've been
हैवंट.
suspended. Wait, you know about it?
I
I was suspended for 4 days. Actually, you were not. In class 10.
क्लास 10 में दोस्त थे.
It must have been class 9. Like we knew each other, but like I've been suspended for. Okay, I cannot tell for why.
So I haven't.
I have. Never have I ever seen a topless on the beach. Everybody goes fucking topless on the beach. Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about?
I haven't seen. मैं बीच पे कभी गई नहीं मतलब गई होंगी but I haven't seen. इंडिया में तो I haven't seen. बॉम्बे में when I went there was literally nobody because it was like rainy season.
वहाँ पे naked घूमे थे भाई.
बॉम्बे में?
Yeah.
भाई ये कौन सा बॉम्बे जहाँ मैं नहीं गई.
No, they have been
कुछ
like.
हुआ है. Okay.
Sorry. They were okay. Yeah. 25 minutes हम बकवास कर रहे हैं. Okay, fine. Never have I ever. Okay, this is done. Never have I ever fought in the street. I have. Everybody must have done.
तो मुंह पे मार दो एक कस के.
Yeah, because if you're not following the rules and then you're fighting with me, then I'm going to fucking kill you, na. You're fucking split and fight.
मेरे बहुत है.
क्या करें?
Let's not talk about it, man.
Never have I ever sneaked into a party.
Not sneak.
No, I don't like to attend parties, but if I'm attending parties, it's probably with my boyfriend. I don't have a fucking boyfriend now. Never have I ever lied to my parents about where I'm going.
Never. Yeah, come on, India. Tell us.
Never have I ever done something I regret.
I have. ये मुझे कहना चाहिए, but I have regretted. I mean, I haven't really regretted like things because I feel like life में अगर तुमने कुछ regret किया तो फिर what's the point about that? I don't really live with regrets. It's like a part of me and a part of my life.
I live with a lot of regrets all the time. Never have. Okay, the last two questions. Never have I ever picked my nose in public. Yuck! Who does that? That's gross. Why would somebody do that? She.
I haven't.
Nobody. Okay.
Last question is, never have I ever taken part in a talent show.
I have.
Talent तो बहुत है मेरे पास hidden.
Do you want to play the guitar